Hello everyone, this is Rakhi and guys, this is day 9 of the series and let's learn English. So guys, today I am going to do English speaking practice with the 5 pillars of English which is I have already explained in my previous video. And guys, everybody have heard about the reading, writing, listening and speaking practice. And is it all the people are following all these steps together? There might be chances people don't know how to improve in all the areas of English. So we are going to learn in this video. Let's go. Guys, first of all, I want to tell that there's material behind me. Please ignore that because after few days, Chaitra Navratri is going to start. So for that, there's all the material brought here. There's mat and all these things because in Chaitra Navratri there will be puja in the temple. So for that, this material is bring and kept there. Okay, in this video I'm doing English speaking practice with the 5 pillars and these are the 5 steps of learning English. Okay, and you can adjust those steps according to yourself, like as you have time, so you can accordingly you can follow those steps. But the most important thing is that to follow all the 5 steps so we can improve ourselves in all the area, in speaking, in vocabulary, in learning. And guys, when I am recording this video, I am following one step of English, which is English speaking. So I am doing my English speaking practice while I am recording the video, and you are also doing one step of English, which is listening practice. Okay, so you can adjust these steps according to yourself and follow all the 5 steps. Okay, and I'm going to follow like this. First, I am doing English speaking practice, as you can see now, and after that, I'm going to do listening practice, and then I will do reading practice, and then vocabulary, and after that, I will going to do writing practice. So let's do. Guys, I have listened one speech of English and I have only this mobile, so I'm unable to show you while listening at the same time, so you can understand this. I'm already doing English speaking practice and I have followed the one more step, which is listening. So you can listen any of the English speech on YouTube, and I mostly listen to those people whom English I can understand. So like I listen Priyanka Chopra, Shahrukh Khan, or any of this speech which I can understand. So I mostly go to listen those speech. Okay, and after that come third step, which is reading. So actually I have this book which is B.K. Sivani. I have brought it a few weeks ago and I have not finished it yet, but I'm going to read this. Now I'm doing is reading practice. Okay, and I'm going to read this page, page number, like chapter number 11, which is 7 practices for self-care. And I have already told you in my previous video that when you are doing reading practice to learn English, you have to read out loud. Okay, and I will show you how to read it. You can see this page I am reading. Chapter 11, 7 practices for self-care. You decided to go on a long road trip to discover and explore places you have never been to. Will you randomly pack things and hit the road? Not at all. You will plan every aspect, the itinerary, who your fellow travelers will be, the road, the condition of your car, food, clothes, health, and safety gear, camping, supplies, entertainment, kit, toolkit, license, insurance, documents, and so on. Your meticulous preparation and a good attitude will make the journey enjoyable and worthwhile. Self-transformation is a similar journey, taking you inward. It lets you discover and explore aspects about yourself, some of which you might not have been aware. All you need is to plan and prepare the resources needed for this endeavor: your mind, body, time, and energy. In this way, you have to read English book, because when I am reading book loudly, it helping me to improve my fluency and give clarity to speak English. as well as it also helping me to improve my speed of speaking. Okay, because when I read books loudly, clearly, and with the speed as I can speak properly and clearly, so it will help in all those areas. So reading book loudly, that is really important. Okay, so this is the third step, and in this chapter I have also found the different word of the vocabulary. Okay, so I have no need to go somewhere else to find the new words of the vocabulary. From this page I will write new words of the vocabulary, and then I will find the meaning of those words. If I'm not know about it, then I will search in the Google. If I know, then I will write it down, and then I will use it in my writing. Guys, now you can see this page. Okay, so the page I have read just now, from that I have took 5 new English word of the vocabulary. Okay, so these 5 new words of the vocabulary I wrote it down first, and then I have also written the 5 example of each word. Okay, so I have written the 5 example using all the 5 words, and I have tried to make the real example which is related with my real life. Okay, so this is very easy to remember. So whenever I go in that situation, I will remember the word of the vocabulary. So I have also done the fourth step, which is learning new vocabulary. So I have learned 5 new words of the vocabulary, and after that I have followed the fifth step, which is writing practice. So I have written down the 5 sentences of using all 5 words, and after that what I will do, I will also use this new words of the vocabulary while speaking. And okay, so in that I will understand how to use these words in real life situations. Okay, so in this way we can learn vocabulary, and we will improve 1% every day in each area, in speaking, reading, writing, listening, and also improving our vocabulary. Okay, so in this way you can also follow the 5 pillars of English, and you can improve your English in each area. So you will also get the fluency and the confidence of speaking English. So in this way you can also improve your English and keep learning. This is for today. I will meet you in the next video. If you are new in the channel, subscribe the channel and join this journey to learn English and be the part of this journey. Bye.